Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with Valorant whenever you are trying to sign in into the right client. You got the error, we have encountered an unknown error, or we are having trouble signing you in. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type services, click on open it. Search for VGC service, you just need to double click on it. Startup type set to automatic, and if the service status is stopped, you just need to start it. Select apply and OK for save changes. And now try to log in again and check if the problem solved or not. If you're still having issue, then let's move on to the second solution guys. You just need to right click on the start icon and select run. In run window, you just need to type ncpa.cpl. Click on OK. Now you just need to right click on the internet you are using it. In my case I am using Ethernet. You just need to right click on your internet and select properties. Internet protocol version 6 TCP IPv6. You just need to uncheck this box, and after that you just need to click on internet protocol version 4 TCP IPv4. Select properties. Select use the following DNS server addresses and type here in preferred DNS address. You just need to type 111, and alternative DNS you just need to type 1011, and after that click on OK to save changes. Now you just need to close it off here. Now you just need to go to search menu and type CMD. Comes up command prompt. You just need to right click on it and select run as administrator and select as. Now in here you just need to type ipconfig space slash flush DNS press enter. After finishing this, you just need to close it off here, and now relaunch the right client and try to log in. If this failed to work, then let's move on to the next solution guys. You just need to right click on the start icon and select run. In run window you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK to open up. Now in here you just need to search for right games. You just need to double click on it, and now double click on the right client. Now you just need to double click on the data. In here, whatever in here, you just need to right click on it and delete it guys. Press in keyboard Ctrl plus A to select all of these and delete it. And after doing this, close it off here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, launch the right client and check if the problem solved or not. If all of these methods fails to work, then let's move on to the final solution guys. You just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. You just need to scroll down, and you can able to see there is a outage in last 24 hours, which the major cause of Valorant login issue. I hope one of the solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.